Hello guys, this is what I got today. Or actually I got this evening actually. This is a Hunter ceiling fan. I don't know exactly what model it is. I'm guessing it's a Hunter low profile probably. Um, but yeah, this was something I got this evening. It's a very nice fan too. As you can see I like the nice brushed nickel and stuff. Definitely looks really nice. So we're going to do a little bit of a floor test right here. Um, I just tested it out to see how it works and stuff like that. Now keep in mind this only works on only one speed. All the other three speeds don't work. It's just only working on one speed. As it clearly says right here on the green piece of tape here, fan only works on fastest speed. This thing here moves a lot of air, and this thing has a three-way light kit on it. Now, I will show you guys the three-way light kit, but the first thing we're going to do here is power it on. It kind of wobbles a little bit. That's only because it's on patio stones, because this is only a temporary hookup, obviously. Just testing it out to see if it works, and even though it doesn't work on any of the other speeds, it actually runs pretty well. And it's nice and quiet too. Like the bearings are nice and quiet. Not sure exactly what year this fan's from. I'm guessing it's probably from the early 2000s. It does look a little bit older, so I'm going to assume it's probably from the early or late 2000s, maybe the mid 2000s. But there it is. Let's go ahead and power it off. We'll watch it spin down. And then I will show you guys the three-way light kit. Because obviously I have to show that too. Probably not going to show it in reverse this time. We're just going to show it spinning this direction only in this video. And by the way, this thing is 52 inches. It's a 52-inch ceiling fan. So, very nice spin down. It's still going, as you can see. Okay, so it's pretty much stopped now. So we're going to go ahead and shut the speeds off and then turn the light off here, so that way I can show you guys the three-way light kit. There we go. So let's go ahead and here I'm going to show you all the lights. This one here, you can kind of see it. Oh, that was a little quick. Let me do it one more time. Nice and shiny. This is a very stylish fan. So that's the Hunter low profile, I think it is, ceiling fan. It's definitely a Hunter ceiling fan. And I'll show you on somewhere on here. It should say Hunter. There's the Hunter logo upside down. So this is a really nice fan. It moves a good amount of air, and I really like it. So thank you guys for watching, and make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll see you all next time. So take care, everybody.